Lost your keys, wallet, or backpack again? Today, we're diving into the incredible Apple AirTag 4-pack Bluetooth tracker, your ultimate solution for finding anything with pinpoint accuracy. What makes the AirTag stand out is its groundbreaking precision finding, powered by Ultra Wideband technology. Imagine a real-time arrow on your iPhone screen, guiding you directly to your misplaced item. It's unbelievably accurate. Setting up these brilliant little devices is unbelievably simple. Just one tap on your iPhone, and your AirTag is paired and ready to track. No complicated menus or frustrating steps. Worried about splashes or dusty environments? Don't be. With an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle spills and even a quick dip without breaking a sweat, protecting your investment. Unlike generic trackers, the AirTag leverages Apple's vast Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices worldwide anonymously help pinpoint your lost items, even if they're miles away. That's a game changer. Whether it's your car keys, travel bag, or even a pet carrier, these smart trackers offer unparalleled peace of mind. If you're ready to upgrade your tracking game and finally say goodbye to lost items, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon via the link in our description below. It's a fantastic value for securing multiple valuables and an essential gadget for anyone who wants top-tier item tracking. Seriously, for anyone considering the best Bluetooth trackers or must-have electronics for 2025, the AirTag is a no-brainer. Don't miss out on this incredible technology. Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today and never lose track again.